Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can easily use the text replacement. Yes, I know the title is type ad for your email and hacks, so we'll cover it. So at first open the settings. Here scroll down to journal and tap it. Here scroll down even further to keyboard. Now tap text replacement, and as you can see here they have a lot of text replacements presets. To do your own one, tap here this plus button in the top right corner. We want to type our email with add. So shortcut is add, not here, not this mark, add, and phrase. Email. You have to just put your email over here. Email HR, like HardReset.Info at gmail.com. Here tap save. Now open, for example, your notes application. Here below this thing over here, just tap add. As you can see, these are 3 ads, but let me do only 2 of them. Tap this thing over here, email.hr@gmail.com. That's how it works. And you can, as you can see, do this with everything, like every single sentence that you just have, etc. As you can see here, they have, for example, Apple, ASAP, enter like love hard reset, K, something like here, KK, OK, on my way, Porke, something in Ukraine, I guess, T-mail, hard reset TikTok, XD, ZB, add, something like this, as you can see, and Apple again. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.